Hello, what's up guys? In this video I'll show you how to export a WAV file from Audacity. So first of all you need to make sure that you have recorded something in your Audacity, or you have just any other tracks in your Audacity. So you can see that I'm just recording audio track right now. You can just simply edit or do whatever you want with that track, and after completing all these stuffs, now you need to go to file option. Okay, now click on export, and here you can see export as WAV, right? So you can see other formats as well, but if you want to export as a WAV, just simply click on that, and you need to just simply select or give it any file name or title if you want. Okay, and you can just simply select a directory where you want to save on. Okay, and I'm just giving the file name, and you can see the file type as well. And let's suppose I'm going to save this audio file in this drive. And if you think that you need to change the encoding, you can just simply select, but I'm not going to do this. And now click on save, and you can see the edit metadata tags option as well. So just edit it and simply click on OK. And as this is a very short file, so it didn't took a long time to complete the process. So let me just find the file where I have saved, right? Okay, looks like this is not that drive where I've saved that file. Okay, so let me just go to quick access. Alright, so this is the file which I've saved earlier. Now let me just try to open it up, and you can see this is the WAV file which I have just exported. And in this way you will be able to export WAV file from Audacity. So it's very basic and easy thing to do. Alright, so this is being recorded. Okay, as you guys can see, the file is successfully exported. So in this way you will be able to do the same thing. So that was all for today. Hope you liked this video. If you have any kind of question regarding this video, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned with 5 minute solution.